Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of like warp a text into a shape on Adobe Illustrator CC. Select the ellipse tool, and I'm just going to create this circle. And I'm going to go and select this knife tool. If it's not here, just go to the toolbar and add it to your toolbar. Select the knife tool, and I'm just going to separate it in half. You can like separate it like 3 times or like more than that, but I'm just going to separate it in half. And then I am going to, you can also like kind of separate it like this, but I'm not going to do that. Go to text, and I'm just going to type in happy and Dave. Arrange it to be in the back, so send to back. Now I don't know if I need to. Okay, I don't need to create outlines for it. I can just like select both and then go to object, go to envelope distort, and select make with top object. And I'm just going to do the same for the one below that. So it's like that, and I'm just going to make space between them. And I'm just going to I want to group it, so I'm just going to group that. And I'm also going to change the color, or I think I have to create outlines first. So I'm going to do that first. Where is it? Expand. Okay. Okay, make sure you expand it first so you can change the color of the text. And then copy and paste that. Like so, and then make this one a lighter color. I'm just going to make it a purple color, and then I'm just going to copy and paste it again. Wait, this is still a dark color. And then I'm going to again change it to another lighter color like so. Okay, and then I am going to make this smaller. Oops, sorry. So copy it first, and then I'm just going to make this smaller, like so. And then I'm just going to click both of them. Make sure you click all of them. Go to Object, Blend, Make, and then go to Blend Options. Where is it? Here. And then choose Specified Steps and make the steps like a lot, like 5,000 maybe. Oh, okay. And then I can press OK. And then I can add this on top, and it creates a really cool effect in my opinion. Just add this on top of the other one. Oh, I have to put it on top. Like so. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!